Hi, y'all. Hey, Daniel Lynch here, Lynch's Lawn and Fence, man. I hope y'all are having a great day. If you ever need anything from us, it's 318-459-7837. You can get us, you can find us online, find us Facebook, YouTube. We're going to do a little educational deal today. This is going to be for our YouTube channel. That way we can kind of show people, you know, as far as like on fallover protection on gates, what it looks like, what it needs to look like when you put the gate automation on it. When you add gate automation to a gate, we personally put fallover protection on all of our gates. We just don't put them on some, we put them on all. Even if they don't have automation on them, we put the fallover protection on the gates simply for the fact is it's inexpensive to put it on, and it could save somebody's life. Because at the end of the day, fence is a fence, but if you could save somebody's life by spending an extra 20 bucks, hey, that's what we're all about. I mean, we're here to protect property and protect life, but we want to make sure that people stay safe out there for sure. And everybody's like, well, if you hang the gate right, the gate's not going to fall over. Well, I can tell you that ain't true. That ain't true. You can say what you want, but that ain't true. There's a lot of different systems that actually hold and have things in place so they don't fall. I don't believe if you install something with box hinges on it, y'all don't call them box hinges. Some people call them male hinges or whatever. But yeah, so I believe if you put those on, I don't think that you'll have any issue on the fallover, but we still add fallover protection on our gates because we don't want to have to worry about or have that on our conscience if the gate does fall off and injures a kid or a child. So every gate that we install, we put in fallover protection. So I'm gonna flip the camera around, kind of show y'all what we got going on here. This is a 6-foot commercial grade chain link job that we have going on right now. Job's not complete, guys. Job is not complete. I'll say it again. Job is not complete. We're still working on it. Still got to work on getting all the gate automation hooked up, turned on, camera systems, keypads. Rusty Ford with the Automated Gate Service is really helping us out. He's getting all of everything set up for the gate automation for us. Super good guy. But so, guys, what I want to talk about today, so this is right here is a 35-foot cantilever gate. That gate is going to weigh probably somewhere in that, probably 1,000, 1,200 pounds. If it falls off there on somebody, it's going to hurt. So the code on these gates is when if the gate does come loose from where it's at, it comes off its rollers, comes off its hinges, it's not supposed to fall more than a 45-degree angle. Obviously, you can see that this post right here is a camera post that they had added later. I don't know that thing would fall more than a 45 if it actually hit that. So we weren't anticipating, or they weren't anticipating that being in there. So we added our own fallover protection on the gates. We have Dominic Crane. He does all of our welding. He built these fallover protection on the gate. So as you can see, if that roller does somehow or another come loose there, if that roller does come loose, those nuts and bolts come loose, then and that roller comes loose, then you can see the gate will fall and actually hit the fallover protection we have. That's 1 5/8 Schedule 40 pipe right there. That's welded together, so the gate will actually fall and it won't go more than a 45-degree angle. All gates should have these, guys. It's simple to put on. A welder could put that on for you, pop it on there really quick. It's not that big a deal, and it could save somebody's life. So let's just remember that. Yeah, fallover protection on the gates, boy, you can save somebody's life, save a child's life, save anybody's life. So just remember that. But that's how we do fallover protection on most of our cantilever gates. Sometimes options are a little bit different on there, but that's the way we do it. We've tested it. It does work. It's a proven fact, so it does work. So, but yeah, fallover protection on gates, y'all. Get them on there. Get them up. Might could save somebody's life. If y'all got any questions, 318-459-7837, Lynch's Lawn and Fence. Give us a call.